How to unfriend someone on Monopoly Go game. It's a very simple and easy process. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Monopoly Go app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of home interface. Now, in order to unfriend someone on Monopoly Go, here in this home interface, you can see this friends icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now at the top, you can see the leaderboard tab. Tap on it. Over here, you can see this friends section. Tap on it. Here you will see the list of friends that you have in your account. Now, if you want to unfriend someone, you can simply tap on their profile and you will see a little pop-up like this. And over here, you can see the three dots icon. Tap on it. Now select remove. It'll give you a prompt asking if you are sure about removing this friend. You can tap on remove and you will successfully unfriend this person from your account. So that's it. That's how you can easily unfriend someone on Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.